Simula April 7, 2025 ay ipagbabawal na rin ng civil aviation sa Hong Kong ang paggamit at pag-charge ng power bank sa loob ng eroplano habang nasa biyahe, pati ang paglalagay nito sa overhead compartment.
The Civil Aviation Department prohibits passengers on board to use power banks or store them in the overhead compartments. Concerned about recent safety incidents suspected to have been caused by passengers carrying and using lithium battery power banks on aircraft, CAD issued new notice to update regulations with a view to further enhancing aviation safety. Starting from April 7th, local airlines should not allow their passengers to use power banks to charge other portable electronic devices and or recharge power banks during flight. Storage of power banks in the overhead compartments is also prohibited with the same effective date.
Kamakailan nagpatupad rin ng parehong patakaran ang mga airlines company sa Taiwan kagaya ng Eva Air at iba pang mga bansa kasama na dyan ang Pilipinas dahil sa nangyaring insidente sa Air Busan. Sa Hong Kong naman ipapatupad ang nasabing patakaran dahil sa nangyaring insidente na nasunog na power bank sa overhead compartment ng isang eroplano ng Hong Kong Airlines biyaheng China papunta sa Hong Kong. Nito lamang March 20, 2025.
Thank you for your cooperation.
A Hong Kong Airlines flight traveling from Hangzhou on the mainland to Hong Kong was forced to divert to Fuzhou mid-flight after a fire broke out in the cabin. Some passengers say the blaze was caused by an overheated portable charging device. Timothy Lee tells us more.
Video provided by passengers showed the flame emerging from the overhead compartment. Other passengers could be heard in the video saying that they couldn't put out the fire even after using the fire extinguisher. Cabin crew and other passengers were seen passing down bottles of water and even tea and juice in an attempt to extinguish the blaze. Their effort was ultimately successful, with the overhead compartment now severely blackened from the smoke. The plane was later diverted to safety at the Fuzhou Chanlin International Airport. Local fire services, personnel, and police were placed on standby. The affected flight, designated HX115, departed from Hangzhou at 12:56 p.m. and was initially set to reach Hong Kong at 2:56 p.m. Those on board included 160 passengers and 8 cabin crew members. Some passengers recalled how the incident suddenly happened when the plane was still flying at an altitude of 10,000 meters. This passenger said there was a loud bang before smoke started to fill the cabin, adding that the fire burned for a long time. Another passenger said there was nothing anyone could do at the time, and that they could only pray for a safe landing. Reports said the blaze was caused by an overheated portable charging device. This after a similar incident happened earlier this year when a charging device was suspected of starting a fire on an Air Busan flight. In a bid to prevent such fires from happening again, South Korean authorities mandated that passengers must place the batteries of the portable devices in a plastic bag when boarding planes. They are also barred from charging the devices while flying. Airlines such as EVA Air and Thai Airways have already followed suit. Meanwhile, Hong Kong Airlines said they arranged another plane to bring the affected passengers back to Hong Kong from the Fuzhou Airport at 9 p.m.
Gaya nga ng nasabi natin sa isa kong video na dapat nga ipagbawal na or itotal ban na ang pagdadala ng kahit anumang uri ng power bank sa loob ng eroplano. Dahil may mga saksakan naman sa loob ng lahat ng airport sa buong mundo, pati sa mga eroplano. At paglapag mo sa mga airport sa ibang bansa, ay halos lahat ay meron ng power bank rental na pwede yung rentahan kung kinakailangan nyo ito. So sa pamamagitan yan ay never na mangyayari ang mga ganitong insidente.